Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
Court does call the case of Northwood Properties versus Brian Porcia.
Hi, good afternoon, Your Honor. Edward Drukes on behalf of plaintiff.
Your name, ma'am?
Brian Portia.
Okay. What are we doing on this?
Your Honor, I am putting together a COD. I can put those terms on the record. I asked for 2 weeks, so I'm going to get it to her right away, but turn into the court. If the court signs it, we won't have to show up if there's issues that arise.
Well, we're going to do that a little bit different, but go ahead and put the terms. What are the terms of?
The tenant will vacate the property by February 17th. If she has not vacated the property, we can turn in a possession judgment on the 18th with an immediate writ without a hearing.
So 4B would be checked on the form?
Yes.
All right.
And that's how it would resolve.
Ma'am, is all of that correct? Pardon?
Yes,
Is that what you've agreed to?
yes.
Okay, do you have any questions regarding the conditional order dismissal?
No.
What, I guess I'm a little bit unclear as to what happens. She was without heat for a period of time?
Yes, I was. Middle of October my power was taken out of the unit that I was renting. So hang on, where are all those claims going with this COD? Well, I was told that, I wouldn't have anything on my record like my rental record, and I wouldn't have to owe anything if I just agreed to this. So I guess that's the best thing in my interest. Don't get me wrong, I do want to, that's it.
Well, go ahead. What were you going to tell me?
I feel very much that I was mistreated, and I'm not very happy for settling, but that's my decision.
Do you want to settle, ma'am?
It's in my best interest, so
Why is it in your best interest?
because I don't make enough money to pay this and to fight this, and I only received $900.
Okay, I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm not signing the COD. That's one of the reasons why they put that in the court rule, so that I can hear from you. I'm not signing that COD. She is without heat, and I think at some point without electricity.
Yes,
And in that COD, Mr. Drukes, there's going to need to be some type of compensation to her for that.
Your Honor, a lot of that agreement was reached because there is a time frame where she did owe rent. And she was responsible for utilities and water.
may I say something? I reached out to the landlord for a bill, and I never received anything. While my lease was in session, I had automatic.
Hold on. You guys can go back to the drawing board, or I can set it for trial. But the COD that you laid out to me where she just moved, I'm not signing. Anybody doesn't understand that? I'm sorry, I'm speaking French because I'm just not signing it. So I'll give you guys 2 weeks to come up with something else. I'll adjourn this matter January 24th.
What does that mean for me?
What do you mean? What's it mean?
Do I still go back to the apartment, or
Have you been going back there?
I don't have anywhere else to go?
What time is this stuff? 3 p.m. It's 24th, 2025 at 3 p.m. Ma'am, you go back to that apartment. And I'm just going to tell you the way I tell everybody. You don't move until I tell you got to move.
Yes, sir.
That's the way it works.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.